Welcome to the Hocus Pocus School, where you will learn all the magic tricks of DeFi. In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect your ledger with your Metamask wallet. First of all, make sure to connect your ledger with your laptop and then open the Ledger Live app. Also, you have to toggle with both buttons and confirm the Ethereum app on your ledger. Once we've done that, we go to Metamask, and as you can see in the right top, you will see the account button. Hover with your mouse to the account button, click on there, and as you can see here, you see the option to connect your hardware wallet, and that's exactly what we're doing today. So we click on Connect Hardware Wallet. And as you can see, your Nano S is already connected, so you click on that and you say make the connection. Usually it takes a few seconds, and from there we'll choose an account and we'll just go with the first account. As you can see, we'll just tick the box of number 1 and we click on login. This way we have connected our ledger with our Metamask wallet, and to confirm this, we'll just hover with our mouse back to our account button and we'll click on there, and as you can see, the ledger 1 is connected with your Metamask wallet. Thank you for watching today, and we'll see you in the next one.